miss any of our 3 at 3 shows last week?
This last week's shows were all about getting inspiration from the state fair and all the quirky things that come with it. Pickle pops, it is a real thing.
That's right. We learned about making snazzy quilt jackets, appliquing on a cute new bag, and we got crazy creative with a popcorn pattern.
Ice cream cone, it's
Yes.
a cupcake, it's cinnamon popcorn.
If you haven't discovered 3 at 3 yet, it is a show that covers everything quilting and sewing and your creative lifestyle. Just follow the links below to catch up on all the fun we had.
Remember, 3 at 3 is live Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, where we always have something to make you smile
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go.